Bonner Springs, Kansas. Bonner Springs is a city in Wyandotte, Leavenworth, and Johnson counties, Kansas, United States. It is part of the Kansas City metropolitan area. As of the 2010 census, the city population was 7,314, and in 2016 the estimated population was 7,665. Bonner Springs was incorporated as a city on November 10, 1898. 321 Bonner Springs is home to the Providence Medical Center Amphitheater, the National Agricultural Center and Hall of Fame, and the annual Kansas City Renaissance Festival. The Kansas people had settled the area because of the mineral springs and abundant fish and game when, in 1812, two French fur traders, the Choteau brothers, made their way from St. Louis and temporarily settled in the area that would eventually become Bonner Springs, starting a trading post named Four Houses. The location allowed easy access to trade items, and a ferry to cross the Kansas River was added. In 1830, Henry Tiblo, a Delaware Indian, took charge of the ferry. Tiblo was a Delaware Indian who worked as an interpreter for the government. He lived in a small cabin on the west side of the city. The location became known as Tiblo Settlement, and the ferry continued working for years. John McDaniel, or Red John due to hair color, is known as the founder of Bonner Springs, as we know it today. As the owner of a vast majority of land that is now Bonner Springs, McDaniel named the town Tiblo, after his friend Henry. Several of the springs in the area were analyzed for their mineral content, and the results indicated benefits that would attract visitors. The Bonner Springs Improvement Club, in 1907, created a promotional brochure touting the city as the Kansas Carlsbad and listing the contents of 5 springs near Lake of the Woods, Big Chief, Little Chief, Papoose, Old Squaw, and Minnehaha. They listed grains per gallon of things like potassium sulfate, carbonate of iron, and chloride of sodium for each. Big Chief was noted to be splendid water for anemics, supplying the necessary properties for good red blood and driving out the dead and impure corpuscles. Old Squaw was reportedly so named because the old women of Indian tribes once living in Kansas found relief from their intense dyspepsia caused by their heavy meat diet and little or no exercise. To promote the springs, a special train brought investors to the area and cited its proximity to Kansas City, the springs themselves, the fine parks and native trees, the site of a racetrack, and the beautiful residential sites as advantages that would assure the success of the mineral spring venture. In 1885, Philo Clark purchased 300 acres from McDaniel, with plans to capitalize on the mineral springs, then changed the name of the town to Bonner Springs. The latter portion of the name comes from a mineral spring in the area said to have medicinal qualities. The town was named after Robert E. Bonner, a publisher of the New York Ledger, who was a trotting horse breeder of note, and Clark believed would help fund the proposed racetrack. However, there is no record this occurred. Bonner Springs continued to be prosperous, with a growing population and new businesses. In 1908, a fire caused over $70,000, over $350,000 in today's dollars, worth of damage and destroyed between 19 and 21 local businesses. There were no water mains at the time, even though the city council had debated the issue for some time. Many locals came to the rescue, forming a water bucket chain to help put out the fire, while they waited for a fire truck from Kansas City to arrive. An investigation indicated that materials behind Kelly and Pettit's drug store had caught on fire, and the wines carried the flames, making the fire difficult to control. Residents of Bonner Springs undertook thousands of dollars worth of repairs. Bonner Springs is located at 39°0335 and 94°5301 W/39.059726 and 94.883575 W/39.059726 -94.883575 primarily on the north side of the Kansas River. It is mainly in southwestern Wyandotte County, with small portions extending west into Leavenworth County and south across the Kansas River into Johnson County. It is bordered to the north by Kansas City, Kansas, to the east by Edwardsville, and to the south across the Kansas River by Shawnee. Interstate 70, the Kansas Turnpike, passes through the northern part of the city, with access from exits 224 and 224A. I-70 leads east 17 miles to Kansas City, Missouri, and west 21 miles to Lawrence, while US 73 leads north 16 miles to Leavenworth, and K7 leads south the same distance to Olathe. K32 runs through the center of Bonner Springs close to the Kansas River, leading east 4 miles into Edwardsville and west 10 miles to Linwood. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 15.99 square miles, of which 15.98 square miles are land and 0.36 square miles, or 2.26%, are water. Bonner Springs has a humid continental climate, typically experiencing hot, humid summers and cold, dry winters. As of the census of 2010, there were 7,314 people, 2,810 households, and 1,917 families residing in the city. The population density was 465.0 inhabitants per square mile. There were 3,025 housing units at an average density of 192.3 per square mile. The racial makeup of the city was 84.8% white, 5.4% African American, 0.9% Native American, 0.5% Asian, 0.1% Pacific Islander, 5.0% from other races, and 3.3% from 2 or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 10.8% of the population. There were 2,810 households, of which 35.2% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 48.6% were married couples living together, 14.2% had a female householder with no husband present, 5.5% had a male householder with no wife present, and 31.8% were non-families. 25.7% of all households were made up of individuals and 9.8% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.59 and the average family size was 3.11. The median age in the city was 35.7 years. 26.5% of residents were under the age of 18, 8.8% were between the ages of 18 and 24, 26.8% were from 25 to 44, 26.2% were from 45 to 64, and 11.8% were 65 years of age or older. The gender makeup of the city was 47.9% male and 52.1% female. As of the census of 2000, there were 6,768 people, 2,592 households, and 1,824 families residing in the city. The population density was 429.4 people per square mile. There were 2,754 housing units at an average density of 174.7 per square mile. The racial makeup of the city was 90.2% white, 4.1% African American, 0.8% Native American, 0.5% Asian, 2.7% from other races, and 1.7% from 2 or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 6.2% of the population. 22.1% were of German, 13.3% American, 12.8% Irish and 10.9% English ancestry. There were 2,592 households, out of which 35.8% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 53.5% were married couples living together, 12.6% had a female householder with no husband present, and 29.6% were non-families. 24.7% of all households were made up of individuals and 10.8% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.59 and the average family size was 3.11. In the city, the population was spread out with 28.2% under the age of 18, 8.5% from 18 to 24, 29.8% from 25 to 44, 20.7% from 45 to 64, and 12.8% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 34 years. For every 100 females, there were 93.7 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 87.2 males. As of 2000, the median income for a household in the city was $43,234, and the median income for a family was $50,476. Males had a median income of $36,390 versus $26,957 for females. The per capita income for the city was $19,730. About 6.8% of families and 9.6% of the population were below the poverty line, including 12.9% of those under age 18 and 5.4% of those age 65 or over. Bonner Springs is home to the Providence Medical Center Amphitheater, first opened in 1984 as the Sandstone Amphitheater. This open-air venue can seat an 18,000 guests, including 3,100 box and reserved seats. The venue has undergone renovations, including an improved layout for seating and state-of-the-art sound and video systems. Bonner Springs is home to the National Agricultural Center and Hall of Fame, a privately funded charitable institution chartered by the U.S. Congress to educate society on the historical and present value of American agriculture and to honor leadership in agribusiness and academia by providing education, information, experience, and recognition. The city is host of the annual Kansas City Renaissance Festival. The fair begins on Labor Day weekend and continues for 7 weekends, open on Saturdays and Sundays as well as Labor Day and Columbus Day. The fair began in 1977 as a benefit for the Kansas City Art Institute, and became a stand-alone event in the late 1990s. The fair has 165 booths and 13 stages, entertaining 180,000 patrons annually on 16 operating days. Wyandotte County Park has numerous picnic areas with A-frame structures. The park also includes soccer fields, tennis courts, a skate park, disc golf course, a model airplane flying area, and baseball diamonds. The park is home to numerous attractions, including the Wyandotte County Museum and Historical Society, Trowbridge Archival Library, and the George Mine Community Center. Sunflower Hills Golf Course, opened in 1977, is an 18-hole course located at Wyandotte County Park. The championship golf course was designed by renowned architect Roger Packard. Sunflower Hills is home to the Wyandotte County Open, the longest-running tournament of its kind in the greater Kansas City area. The junior golf course features 6 holes with 3 sets of tees, driving range, putting green and practice bunker. Each year, during the last weekend of August, the city hosts Tiblo Days, a heritage festival in honor of early settler Henry Tiblo, and former name of the community. The Bonner Springs City Council consists of 9 members who are elected in nonpartisan elections across 4 wards. The mayor is elected at large, and together with the council, select and appoint a professional city manager to operate the city. Operating as the legislative branch of the city, the council provides policy direction to the city manager. The vast majority of Bonner Springs lies in Wyandotte County. Bonner Springs acts as an incorporated city, retaining its own government and autonomy, while also being part of the consolidated city-county government known as the Unified Government. The UG consolidates the governmental functions of Wyandotte County and Kansas City, Kansas, under one entity, while also performing typical county government functions for the incorporated cities of Bonner Springs and Edwardsville. Bonner Springs is home to Unified School District 204, which includes Bonner Springs High School, Robert E. Clark Middle School, and 3 elementary schools. Bonner Springs residents also contribute to funding Kansas City Kansas Community College. See related article, VOY Kansas City at Wikivoyage. River transportation was important to early Bonner Springs, as its location directly on the Kansas River afforded easy access to trade. A portion of Interstate 70 was the first project in the United States completed under the provisions of the new Federal Aid Highway Act of 1956. Bonner Springs is located directly on or near several transportation corridors including roadways, rail, and river access. Bonner Springs is served directly by 2 interstate highways, 3 national highways, 3 state highways and many influential Kansas City metro roads. Bonner Springs is served with direct routes to 1 interstate highway, 2 state highways and 1 national highway. Notable individuals who were born in and/or have lived in Bonner Springs include